Milestone Card is a credit card option designed for people who are looking to build or rebuild their credit history. By the end, you'll know what Milestone Card offers, who it may be useful for, and what to check before deciding if applying makes sense. The main reason people consider cards like Milestone is access. When someone has limited credit history, a low credit score, or past credit problems, getting approved for traditional credit cards can be more difficult. A credit card like Milestone can provide an opportunity to establish payment history, but the value depends on the account terms and how you use it. Before applying, check the current offer details, including the annual fee, interest rate, credit limit, and any other account costs. These details determine whether the card is affordable for your situation. The biggest factor in whether Milestone helps you is how you manage the account. Making payments on time and keeping spending under control are the habits that support credit-building goals. A card can be useful as a stepping stone when it gives you access to credit that you otherwise could not get. It can become less useful if the fees are high compared with the benefits, or if you have access to better credit card options. You should also compare Milestone with other cards designed for people building credit. Look at the total cost, approval requirements, and features available before making a decision. The right card depends on your current financial position. Someone trying to establish credit may value having an account that reports payment activity, while someone with stronger credit options may prefer a card with different benefits. Milestone Card may be worth considering if you need a credit-building option, and the current terms fit your budget. It may not be the best choice if another card offers better conditions for your situation. The important step is checking the full agreement before applying. Do not focus only on approval chances because the fees and terms determine the long-term value. So, is Milestone Card worth applying for in 2026? It depends on your credit goals, the offer you receive, and whether the costs make sense compared with other choices. Review the latest Milestone Card details and compare them with other credit-building cards before you apply. If this helped you understand Milestone Card better, like the video, and subscribe for more simple financial product reviews.